So far we have done many cases of silhouette soft, and there's a 0% chance of infection so far because of good sterility and fast placement of the sutures into the skin. Okay, so Julian, lower down the table. So we're going to lower down the table, the bed, and then we'll be doing it with Katherine lying down.
Okay. Okay, so someone needs to hold this for me.
Yeah. Great, hold it.
Oh, sorry.
Alex. Hey, the head too long. Higher. Okay. So, Katherine, so sorry, we just inject a few more local anesthesia shots. It's a little painful, so just bear with it for a few seconds. So local anesthesia is the most painful part of this treatment. Actually, the placing of the sutures is much more comfortable than this. Anesthesia on the other side.
Ouch.
Sorry, sir.
Okay.
So luckily this treatment lasts 1.5 years, 2 years, so you will not need to go through it again for the next 2 years. And if you actually take care of your skin and sleep early, no late nights, can probably even last you longer. Do you have a lot of late nights, Katherine?
Quite so.
Quite so. It's amazing that you still look so good. Okay, so first time, right, doing this?
Yeah.
18G. So making the entry point with 18G needle at the local anesthesia part, so you shouldn't feel much. 16 cones. So this is the 16 cone silhouette soft. There are 8 cones on each side. So altogether 16 cones, and we need to tighten it because it is hand woven, ensuring high quality control. And then when we tighten it, it activates the cones. So now I'll place it into the entry point I made. Slide it underneath the skin. Okay. Squeeze it there.
Okay. Sorry, huh?
So the bottom part is in.
Enggak tengok. Habis.
If you can.
Yeah, close now. Oh, okay. Just on back for me, can? Oh, first on. Okay. Here, hold it. Okay.
So if you just joined us, this is I'm doing a combination therapy. I call it the YY lift, Yang lift, because Ellanse and Silhouette Soft are complementary treatments to restore collagen lost in our face, especially after the age of 30 years old. And Ellanse Soft is especially hot now in the Chinese-speaking countries, Taiwan, Hong Kong, China, out of stock everywhere. So in Singapore, we were recently out of stock as well. So make sure that if you want to do this treatment, please inquire early with us. And this treatment is something that can last 2 to 4 years for Ellanse, and Silhouette Soft can last about 1.5 years to 2 years. So we're talking about immediate lifting, volumizing, and then a sustained collagen production, which is off your own skin. And that is something very special nowadays, because currently in the market, previously there was a lot of hyaluronic acid fillers and PDO threads. This hyaluronic acid produces very minimal collagen, despite studies claiming so. And then this PDO threads also produce very little collagen, and they don't last as long. So Silhouette Soft is made of a material called PLLA, polylactic acid. So that is like the second generation of thread lift material, which is highly recommended now. So I'll just place it in the bottom half of the 16 cone Silhouette Soft thread. I'm going to put in the other 8 cones here to lift the jawline. Yeah, nice. So you can see my needle moving through the tissues.
Oh.
It's a bit painful, so I'll just make it fast. Get her hair out of the way.
What's it?
Yeah, you can feel the cones going in and your tissues tighten. So cut off the sharp needle. Again, I like to just press on the tissues to enhance the tightening effect, so that the tissues get attracted to the cones and they stay around it, and then they get tightened. As you can see, the jawline is pretty much more defined now, and the jaw angle here is very obvious now. And then we're going with the 8 cones now. 8 cones. So this is the other Silhouette Soft thread, 8 cones. So there's like 4 here and 4 here. Again, tighten it, activate the cones. Going to the entry point. Let's compress the bleeding. So what is different from for Silhouette Soft against other threads is that, especially Korean barb threads, is that it is firstly made out of polylactic acid, which is a longer lasting material and produces more collagen than PDO. Secondly, it is made in a cone shape instead of hooks, so it provides a bigger surface area to tighten the tissues, and there's a 360 degrees tightening effect for the fat to be and the skin to be attracted to it. And being a 330, there's almost a 0 chance of migration and extrusion, as we can see sometimes with the Korean threads, because of this 360 degree tightening effect and the engagement of the tissues all around. So if you're looking for like a lunchtime lift with minimal chances of any side effects, Silhouette Soft is the one for you. You can see I just did it, and there's not much swelling. There's a bit of bleeding here, so let me just compress it a while and you'll stop. Still okay, Katherine? Still alive? Feeling tight now in the lower part of the face?
Yeah.
So Katherine, you're taking some supplements, is it? Or some
Yeah.
fish oil or something?
I'm taking the Black Moss fish oil.
Oh, okay.
And quite a few stuff. Vitamin C.
To keep your skin looking healthy, yeah.
So, I don't have to do anything to the threads, right?
Yeah, you don't have to do anything.
You just, it's phenomenal.
Yeah, just avoid any strenuous activities for about 1 to 2 weeks.
Oh, okay. Also no gym?
Light gym is okay, yeah. But we're not talking about like those hip hop dance or break dancing, you know, things like that, yeah. And yoga upside down, you know, that kind of thing. Yeah. killing the threads.
So I can still go out for dinner later, right?
Yeah, you can even go for lunch.
Okay.
Late lunch maybe.
But okay. But it was the threads were just sticking out.
Oh no, you can't see the threads.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because I'm cutting off the loose end now.
Okay.
Okay, so if you can go a top-down view on the face, you can see the difference already. Just look downwards. There's a tightening of the jawline, and then the cheeks have been positioned upwards, and also the sides of the face have been slim. Okay, right. So let's proceed to the other side. Especially obvious is this contour here. You can see this side has a hint of nasolabial fold, smile lines, and slightly looser tissues. And this side is tighter, as you can see when I massage tissues. You can see the difference. Okay, now let's look at the other side. So how's the experience of Silhouette Soft so far in placing the
Bearable.
wearable
It's like ends crawling, you know.
underneath the skin? Only when we put it in, right?
Yeah.
Now turn the other side. So we're finishing already, just the 2 more threads. So Silhouette Soft is a very non-invasive lunchtime lift, very fast. And there's an instant lift, but the full results will come in about 3 months later. So you wouldn't look frozen, fake. You wouldn't look fake, and nobody will ever be able to tell that you did something. Perfect for our Singaporeans who are afraid of telling people about this. Sorry. Existing cost? So can you stand a bit more? That'll help me. Thank you. Okay, so the discomfort usually is when the cones are being put into the skin. Some patients find it one side. So Katherine is very brave. It's her first time doing aesthetic treatments, in case you just joined us. She has had Ellanse in her cheeks and her nasolabial folds. Cheeks and nasolabial folds, and now we're just finishing up the Silhouette Soft. I call it the YY lift, which is called in short for Yin Yang lift, which combines Silhouette Soft with Ellanse, both two of the hottest collagen stimulating products right now in the aesthetic market. And as you should have known by now, if you follow my Instagram, Ellanse is also called the sound mutant because it can reverse, it can take many years off your face. Because restores the collagen that's lost. We age because collagen is lost from our face, our bones get flatter, and although we can't do anything about the bones, but we can reverse by putting back your own collagen. That's why tagline is put back what you have lost. So no drastic changes. Cool. So the last suture now. So Katherine, we're finishing. Your audio is over soon. And you can look forward to the youthful face. Immediately there will be instant result, and then I look forward to seeing you in 3 months when that's the full collagen production will finish. And then you'll have a much more volumized, lifted and youthful look. And later we can show our Insta fans about take a look whether does it look swollen, bruised, and things like that. So I'll finish inserting the threads. As you can see, it's 2 ends here and 2 ends coming out here. So Katherine looks like a cat now with whiskers.
Oh yeah, the picture.
And then with a cat eye makeup. So it's important to adjust the sutures a bit so that it gets fixed onto your skin and the fat that you want to lift. So just a bit of facial massage now. This also prevents any unevenness of the skin. So usually I would like to place 3 threads per side. One here, second one here, and the third one, usually targeting the small lines, the nasolabial folds. But today we did Ellanse together, so we can actually skip the last one. And Ellanse will produce the lift here and at the nasolabial fold. So we don't want to go too much at one time because Katherine is her first time. And I'm sure she'll be back for more.
Cut my hair.
Little bit. Okay, okay. I was going to cut like 1-2 strands.
You're doing well.
Yeah. So we finished. So just let me just cleanse the whole face again. So, Katherine, you did it. You had my YY lift, Yuan Yang lift.
Wow.
So you feel young now?
Yeah, YY for young.
Young, yeah. Young.
Well, for me, just something about myself, I don't really do all this kind of treatments. In fact, I spoke to Dr. Wong last year or 2 years ago. I've always been very maybe not persistent, but more reserved about this kind of treatment and a lot of reservations. And then when I read up about this treatment, I think this is something that I will benefit and also will not maybe like weigh down my face or drag my skin. So in the good hands of Dr. Wong.
And I think you're attracted to the promise of collagen, right? Yeah.
Yep.
Because collagen is everywhere, drink, injection, whatever. So the fact that this injection can produce more collagen, why not? Yeah. So you look like yourself.
It's like replenish what we lost.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Go back what you've lost. That's my favorite tagline. So we are not looking to change anything on your face. I'm not doing any plastic surgery here. So it's just some injections, some slight adjustments, and then you look more youthful and fresh. Okay, so we're done. So Julian, please adjust a bit. I just want to take a look at her when she's sitting up. So let's look at our final result.
More already.
Oh,
I think ended. I think ended.
Oh, 太长了。
Don't know. Oh, quite instant now. Can see the
Can still do it.
Yeah, can see the leaf. Like the heart shape lift.
Yeah, now she has a heart-shaped face. And then her cheeks are more volumized. Can you smell a bit? Yeah. Wow, see, 苹果肌出来了，法令纹 reduce so much. Yeah. Wow. 少女。
Me laugh.
So things to take note of is to avoid things like hot sauna and hot bath.
Anything that increase or promotes blood circulation.
Yes, yeah, Katherine called it. Yeah, you're clever. You're very sharp. So just now we mentioned the supplements, the vitamin A, E, ginkgo, ginseng, and then hot bath, hot sauna. Yeah, and then strenuous exercise, because that will also promote a lot of blood flow to your face, especially when you're going upside down doing yoga, and then that will be a no-no for this 1 week. Yeah.
On normal days, we should do that, but because of this treatment,
just avoid it for 1 week. Yeah. So you like your look now? I think you look so much more fresh and youthful, and this is not even the full result yet. So I would think that if Katherine wants to go for the heart-shaped face, she can go for a bit of botulinum toxin into this masseter muscles, and that will slim her face further. Yeah. Okay, if you just joined us, Katherine here has just gone through Ellanse and Silhouette Soft treatment. That's what we call the yin yang lift, because Ellanse and Silhouette Soft both produces collagen that will restore the lost collagen in your face. And what it does is it makes you look more youthful and look like yourself without any alterations to your look. And it is one of the hottest treatments now in the market, especially in the Mandarin-speaking countries like China, like Taiwan, Hong Kong, and now Singapore. So this treatment is very hot now. So if you're interested to know more about it, please look at our Instagram, Katherine, Baba Mama, right? And then my one, Dr Israr Wong, Dr. Wong, yeah. And then take a look at our Facebook, our Instagrams, and you can find out more. And feel free to just private message us about this. Okay, so job done, and some okay.